Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising. Let's see the energy sa inyo ngayong second half ng August. So, August 16 to 31, 2026. General reading, just take what resonates, okay? Pwede kayong makarelate, pwedeng hindi. And another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So, mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto nyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mrqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar. Link on the description or comment section. Okay, let's see. Cancer. Oh, a spiritual partnership. So, pwedeng you are practicing, esoteric. Meron kang esoteric practices. You are into spirituality. You may be partnering with some people na merong parehong inclination or interest sa any forms of divination. This can also mean na meron kang makikilala na spiritual partner wherein meron kayong malalim na pagkakakilanlan sa isa't isa. You also have creativity. So, meron ditong spark of your creativity. May mga ideas ka, may mga talents and skill set ka na i-explore. This can be related also sa mga spiritual gifts or spiritual creative ideas mo. Oh, love. Love is about your passion, your feelings towards someone sa buhay mo. Can be passionate ka sa isang person or passionate ka sa ginagawa mo. Let's see, ano pa. So, may focus ng love. Love and creativity, this is about yung talents and skill set mo. Let's see. Overall energy. Oh, you have the sun. Oh, that makes sense. Kasi yung yellow, it also symbolizes the sun. So, merong happy energy sa'yo. You have this bright energy and some of you, maaring kayo ay, magiging spotlight ngayong second half ng August. Your challenge is the hangman. Minsan, nagda-doubt tayo sa sarili nating kakayanan. Lalo na kung meron tayong sense of sense of comparison sa iba na kumbaga minsan tayo rin mismo nagja-judge sa sarili natin. But this is the time na mas kailangan mong maging confident sa iyong sarili. Kasi sino pa ba ang magtitiwala sa ating mga sarili at maniniwala sa kakayanan natin, 'di ba? Tayo rin naman. O, 'di ba? Meron kang opportunity to become a leader o to be creative. Merong leadership role. Maaring ikaw ay tatanghalin na leader sa grupo nyo. You will be shining. Meron kang ipapakita may show off ka na not actually showing off, but it's about showcasing yon. Showcasing your talents and skills. And then your blessing, Ace of Cups. This is a new source of happiness. Merong new beginnings, new relationship. Maaring simula ng passionate relationship or creative passion para sa iba sa inyo. And then, for your money, career, finances. Okay, you have the King of Swords. So, mas nagiging maingat ka sa pag-handle ng iyong kaperahan. You're also focused on achieving a higher position sa trabaho or meron kang nire-research at pinag-aaralan na iba pang source of income. Now, your love life, the Knight of Swords. Merong tension, no? Pwedeng magkaroon ng can be a misunderstanding or may kailangan pag-usapan. between you and someone na malapit sa'yo, like a romantic partner, family member. Let's see. Final message. Sword. Make the change. Ayan. So, ngayong second half ng August, you will change something sa sarili mo. Pwedeng physical. Pwede rin tong mindset. It's like you are letting go of something that is no longer serving your highest good. Okay? So, that is your reading, Cancer. Thank you so much. See you again.